What is your love language?
Telugu.
I laugh. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being on a date with me.
I was forced to by Netflix. I couldn't say no.
You were forced?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said yes to me.
No, it was in contract that I have to do whatever for a bunch of days before release, so I'm just here.
I thought that this was the date setup because you were busy, so we were just seeing each other in the middle of your work.
Okay, we can make it feel like however we want. Now it doesn't matter.
Yeah? Okay, but then...
Do you want hot water?
No, thank you so much. You do know that you don't have to have hot water. You can have cold water, and if you drink it, it will automatically be hot water.
No, that's not how it works.
It will if you try. It will.
My throat doesn't know that, so
Your throat should be more self-aware.
yeah, it should.
Yeah?
I think season 3 we'll get
Season
there.
3, yeah.
I'm
But
just starting to get aware of myself now.
Right? I
Yeah.
just want to tell you that Rana Naidu is such a wholesome show. It is such a cute show, such a heartwarming
Such a
show.
cute show.
Yeah.
Cute is not the word I got actually. You're the first one who said
Really?
cute.
Because
Yeah.
it's like
What's cute about it? Just
yeah,
asking.
that's what it's like. Such a nice man trying to navigate through his relationship with his dad with a little bit of masti, guns, whatever, violence, but it's cute only.
It's cute, nice.
Yeah,
So you like guys like that's the world that
maybe. Do you know we have a lot of similarities also?
really what kind?
We both have issues.
Okay, what kind
Daddy issues, mommy issues. You have daddy issues in Rana Naidu. You
Fully.
had mommy issues in Bahubali,
Yeah, that's true actually.
right?
Yeah, so you have what mommy or daddy issues?
Both. Family issues.
Okay, overall.
Yeah, every issue that you can possibly think of, which is why I probably find violence cute.
Interesting. It's a good lifestyle actually to have finding violence cute and going with it.
Yeah, what is a content piece that helps you sleep better?
Sleeping tablets actually.
Sleeping tablets?
Yeah, it's called Ativan. I'll take half of it and sleep. It's
Right.
easier than content.
Okay.
Or you can take melatonin. They come as gummies now. You can take that too.
Or you could I'll send you a picture of me. You can look, you'll have a lot of melatonin and then you can sleep.
So you're melatonin?
Yes.
Okay.
That's my real name actually.
Melatonin, all right.
Yes. But I also want to tell you that what helps me sleep better at night is true crime documentaries.
I think you should wake up in the day and become part of it.
A true crime documentary?
No,
Me-
just do some part of some crime and then so you'll
Yeah.
they'll make a documentary on you. someday.
It's a crime to look this good. So actually, I'm a part of a criminal
Well done.
world, right? But also, can I just tell you that if I could change one of the movies ending that you've been in, I would be like, everyone is thinking that Ye Jawani Hai Deewani is such a cute coming of age, whatever, rom-com, this, that. And then, as soon as Vikram enters and Bunny's like, tu ja, then it's going to be like Vikram and Naina have always been conspiring, and then they kill Bunny, and then they like chop him off, and
That would be the film. You know, it would be a disastrous film.
Why? I think it would be great.
I think you should make it and see.
Okay. But then you'll have to play Vikram.
That I'll think about.
No, now it's done. You've said it.
See,
It's
if
done.
Ye Jawani was a day, I just shot for a few hours. So if you have few hours, I'll come and shoot for your film also.
Cool. Okay. I'm making a film now and you're playing Vikram. But what is something that you would want to have had a different ending with? Like you'd want ki isme thoda different hota. Anything that you've...
Anything, no? I think in the Bahubali end, if I got the kingdom, it would have been better, I think. What do you think?
Yeah, true only. I'm always with the anti-hero. What's a role in the recent times you're like, I want to do that, something like that, or I wish I was doing that?
If I had that, I'm doing what I want to do. I wish to do something like this and I did it. So
You manifest and things come to you?
otherwise there's no point. No? Then what's
Right.
the point of being an artist?
True.
Can't manifest and create stories.
Yeah. I manifested a date with you, so...
So there you go, I'm here.
Exactly.
See you.
It works. But what are your red flags? I want to know.
I don't have any flags actually. I just go with the flow.
No means what are qualities you know about yourself that are a little bit...
Usually I'm referred to that. They'll say, okay, Rana is the red flag.
Yeah.
So I don't know what.
Which means that character of yours has a lot of flaws, which people can be or cannot be attracted to. So, but like people have red flags.
I don't much care. Yeah, actually.
You don't?
We have to discover, no? If you kind of say, okay, this is what I want, this is a red flag, this is a blue flag, or whatever the hell color flag, you don't even know what the person is. So I think
Right.
just go with the flow, you'll figure out if there's a flag at all or not.
But you know, a lot of people, I'm always confused because a lot of people say go with the flow, and sometimes I'm feeling that with respect to anything. And then some people are like, only dead fish go with the flow. So
Why do you want to listen to people anyways?
yeah. No, I'm just conflicted that
Don't
where
listen
do
to
I
them.
stand?
Don't listen to them. What they think is their problem, not yours.
Love that.
See, there you go.
I'm waiting for my date to ask me something, but I think it's gonna go like all dates
So
where
I
men
have
are
to-
uninterested.
So no, I have to ask you questions. Is that what you
I
want?
mean, isn't that what like we get to know each other through
No,
in
no,
a date?
it's
So
question answer. It becomes an interview, dude.
Oh.
You get to know each other by just talking about ideas and philosophy and where one looks, the way one looks at things. So I think I'm getting to know bits and pieces of you already.
okay. What is your philosophy for in life like?
What's my philosophy in life? If it's drama, it has to be in the movies and I have to be paid for it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm the opposite.
What is it? You do
I
drama
love-
for free?
Yeah, like I love drama.
So good. So that's an opposite. That's not similarity. at
But
all.
opposites attract.
Cheers on that.
Yes. But you know, you must be thinking that if this is a date, then why is there no food on the table?
So you're getting me food?
No, that's because you're the snack.
Thank God I had breakfast.
Hangover you?
I had breakfast.
You had you did you. I thought this was a breakfast that you had breakfast without me.
It's too late. I'm South Indian. I eat early in the morning.
This is going exactly
How you planned?
how I did not plan. This is
Then how is it supposed to be? Sorry, I'm.
no. It's going
Netflix,
exactly.
you want me to do something else in the show? No? Okay.
It's going exactly like all my real dates, where the guy is nonchalant, can't care less, is like, yeah.
So which means
so-
you found more guys like me?
No, you're the. No. I'm not saying that.
Then what are you saying?
See, at least you have redeeming qualities also, no? You look nice, you're tall.
So others are not that
know.
also there.
Yeah, but okay, what are your icks? What is something that somebody could do, romantically or platonically, whatever, and that would ick you out immediately? And it can be a very small thing.
I'm a pretty nasty fellow. I'm okay with many things.
Means something you will not be okay with, na?
Not really. I'm okay with most things actually. I don't care so much actually in life
Okay.
about what someone is doing or not. It's
Yeah, but sometimes some things are just like, ugh. Like for example, if I'm talking to somebody and they have this like weird nail situation, I'm like, I don't want to talk to
also
you.
I can't see very well, so
Oh.
so it's easier. I'll see a little bit out of focus all the time.
Okay,
So for me, it doesn't matter those kind of detailing things.
love that. That's why you put so much effort for a guy so he can't even see. Love that. But what's up? How are you feeling?
I have a bad throat, but otherwise I'm terrific.
You're terrific.
Huh.
I approve.
Thank you.
Because you obviously need my approval. What are your, if you could, in a relationship, soft launch or hard launch, what's your way to, do you know what these are?
I have no idea.
So when
Soft
you-
launch or hard launch? What does that even mean? It's usually said in a product in a company or
Right?
something.
Exactly. So
so?
if my man is the product and I want to launch him that we're dating or we're together to the world, Instagram. So if I do
Oh,
like
so
a...
Instagram is your word. Okay,
yes,
cool.
of course. No, do you want me to say you're my world already? I'll
no,
at
no,
least
there's
take...
a real world and there's.
I'll take 5 more minutes, then I'll say that.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, but like if I take like a picture of like just the hands or a lift picture where you know elevator mirror selfie where they can't see you but they know I'm with somebody, then that's a soft launch.
Gotcha.
If I directly post your picture or our picture and I'm like, yeah, I was on a date, then that's like a hard launch.
But we only started with hard launch. We have three cameras shooting us.
Do we?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, I thought I was the one who's blind. Can't see.
No.
Hi,
this is,
that's camera. That's my close-up. That's yours. That's
no,
a mid.
actually,
So
this is
you can
a
see the
date.
both of us.
Actually, there are no cameras. I don't know. I think that's because you think there are no cameras.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Very good. I like this delusional way of living.
Delulu is the Silulu actually.
I have no idea what that meant.
Being delusional is the solution.
I see.
Because if you think about it, is being delusional not the top tier form of manifestation?
Yeah, 100%. I agree there. I agree.
Yeah. So are you Delulu?
I think I'm delusional sometimes, but not delulu.
Delulu is cuter for delusional only.
I'm not that part of.
Okay.
I'm just delusional when I have to be.
Okay. And what is the last thing that you were delusional about that came to life?
That I thought this was actually a promotion of
Oh.
a film, of a show that I've done. And that's what Netflix wanted me to do. So
But it's not.
it's not so exactly.
It's not. It's a date.
Yeah, so I thought it was something else and this happened.
Yeah.
But I
Right.
still like there's a Netflix mug and I can still keep talking about Netflix.
Yeah. You know what you make me feel? tudum. You know that feeling when you get when your Netflix screen is on and you're like that.
That's interesting. I think you should go visit. You know, Netflix built a restaurant.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, in the US. It's called Netflix Bites.
Okay.
So it feels like tudum inside a restaurant.
Okay, so we'll go together.
No, I think you should just go.
No, we'll go together.
I already went. I think you should go.
No, so means what if you've gone to one place one time, you will never go again?
Okay, done. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
This
let's ask
is-
Netflix to do this interview next time.
Yeah.
At Netflix
This is not
Bites.
an interview. This is a date.
Yeah. Next time, let's do this date
Yes.
at Netflix Bites,
Yes.
either in Las Vegas or where, and the
Yes.
other locations that
Yes.
they're opening.
This is me manifesting and
So there you go. We're manifesting this together.
yeah.
Next time we do a season and a show for Netflix
Yes.
and have this exact same date.
Yeah.
We will recreate this moment in Netflix Bites in Las Vegas.
Love that.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, again, soft launch or hard launch now that you know what it means.
We'll do the launch at Netflix, no? Whatever they decide. So we get paid for it also.
Love that.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Why do it for free?
True.
No?
But you know how they say that if you're good at something, never do it for free?
There you go.
Except acting, except having a talk show. What is something you are really good at but people don't know yet?
No, all these skills also I learned, and as soon as I had that skill, I started using it and working on it. So I don't think I have many more skills than what is already showcased.
But kuch to hoga. Undiscovered.
Then we'll discover Netflix Bites. By the next time we are at Netflix Bites, we'll discover.
I'll explore till then. Then my skill will be talent finder also.
It's called an agent.
It's just a boring word. Agent is like whatever. Talent finder. TF. You know?
Talent finder.
Yeah. I feel like you should start making words up. Because like,
Why? They're already words.
no, I mean, yeah, and you'll use them. We are using them. But some emotions you can't like, get in the already existing words.
No, I think you just have to learn the language better.
No, but like if you're really okay, if I'm really like this is so cute and मुझे से प्यार आ रहा है किसी चीज पे तो I just keep
Say it in Hindi.
no, but then I say this word which I have coined, which is like you're my Janu monkey.
That you know that only you understand that, right?
That's a word.
So good.
The purpose of language is to speak, not to listen or to understand. Otherwise, men would, be the master of languages. They don't listen. They don't understand.
If you say Janu monkey, I'm sure they would understand.
Janu monkey is such a okay. What is something you would call your potential partner in a word of with a word of endearment?
Well, first she'd have a name, no? So I'd call her by her name.
But then that's not.
That's a start.
It's a start. Okay, her name is whatever. Then what? Like the usual.
I won't. I might not say whatever. I'll just say what.
You'll call her what?
And if her name is whatever, I would just say what in the end of it, or ever,
But if you have to.
or
But no, if you want to express love, then how will you? And you want to do it through your words, then how will you do that?
You need words to express love. I never thought it was necessary.
What is your love language?
Telugu.
I laugh. Haha. So funny. Yay! You made a joke. No, but means there are 5 love languages.
What are the 5?
Physical touch, words of affirmation, acts of service, quality time, gift.
You read this in a self-help book or what?
Gift
What is
giving.
this? It's like
No, means
7
I-
habits of highly effective teams.
No,
type
means
of,
that these
Huh?
are the universal love languages. I've not.
Which universe is this in?
This universe only. There is a love language, like how I would like to be loved is different, and how or could be the same, and how I give love could be different. So what is your preferred way to be loved?
Being.
Existing.
Yeah.
Okay, then my job's done. Yeah?
Yeah. So we're done with this show?
No, not yet actually.
Oh, no? Okay.
No.
How long is this supposed to be? Just ask it.
Till I don't get bored of this date.
Cool.
That till then.
Can you give me more hot water, please?
Or regular
like hot
water.
water?
No, I'm fine.
No, I want hot water. I don't want regular water.
No, but if you drink
It
regular,
won't. That's not how it works in this universe.
it does. Have you ever tried it?
Why don't you bring one glass of cold water, please, and a glass of hot water?
It works. You should try it.
Sure.
But the thing is, I can't. It won't work on me if I try it, because I'm not hot. You are.
Mm-hmm.
So then, if you touch the glass and if you drink it, then it's hot.
Okay.
Yeah, try it.
Okay, then ask for cold water that can become hot once I drink it.
It'll work, and then your life will be changed, and then you'll thank me.
No, my life is quite dramatically changed already.
Why? Why? Do you say so?
I got blood pressure.
You got blood pressure?
Yeah. So my tolerance to nonsense is quite limited actually.
Then it's perfect because I don't talk nonsense at all.
So you just are nonsense basically.
Exactly, because you said your love language is just
nonsense.
being.
Yeah.
So I am being,
You're just being
nonsense. Yeah,
I will take a nap for some time.
sure.
Sleep.
It's, you know what people say, that when you're sleepy around people, it's because you feel comfort around them.
No, because I just didn't sleep well enough last night.
I also didn't sleep enough last night because I was thinking about this date.
No, I was just tired.
You were
from
tired
traveling.
because I was running in your mind.
No, I didn't know you existed actually. Till I got down here at this moment.
Love that. This is such a. This is
It's like a blind date almost.
Yeah, but it's a blind date for you,
Yeah.
not for me.
No, I didn't know that. I didn't know.
हाँ, तो I तो knew ना. So it's a blind date for you, not for me.
Awesome. Thank you. We have a show coming June 13th. It's called Rana Naidu. Please watch it. It's season 2. I think you'll understand. And
You will ask me questions,
I'll ask
sir,
you questions.
because that's what you do on a date. I'll turn Rana
Whoa.
from a red flag to a green flag.
A red flag to a green flag.
Yeah.
I'm actually like a post. Okay, so you want me to ask you questions? Do you like these fake candles that are on the table?
Yeah.
Cool. That's a good
Wow,
question.
love that. I feel like you're reminding me of certain people.
Yeah? Who's
Yeah.
the certain people? Wise men?
So wise men that I can't get enough of ever. But I know why men do this.
Right?
Not be very interested. Oh, you can hit it. It'll change color. No, not to me.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It'll change color.
No, Netflix has a problem if it goes to other colors. It's a different platform.
No, the only yes. Thanks.
I've done enough shows with you guys to know that it can't be blue.
But what was I saying? I was saying, yeah, I know why men do that. Show interest, then disinterest, then it's
Why?
called breadcrumbing.
Breadcrumbing.
Yeah, you breadcrumb somebody, and then you're like, because when you give a little, then pull back, and then give more, the other person is very like hooked to your attention. So that's why men breadcrumb. And that's an insight for you. So I know what you're doing. You shouldn't do that. I know you're interested. You can just say it.
Not really, actually.
You don't want to say it?
No, I'm not really interested.
He doesn't want to say it. It's fine. It's fine. I understand you're shy. It's fine. It'll take some time.
Dululu, or what do you say that?
Dilulu.
Dilulu. Okay, that's what you are right now.
What is something you're delulu about?
That I thought this is a 10-minute.
It's not. It's
That
not.
is what I was Dilulu about.
Yeah, so maybe for some cases, delulu is not the salulu. Okay, what is something that's like non-physical attribute that's attractive to you in a person?
Non-physical attribute?
Yeah,
Their sense of communication.
love that. So I can call you Januvanki then.
A what?
A Januvanki.
So yeah, I said that's what I said. I like the sense of communication if the other person can be articulate enough, so everyone in the room understands.
But what if it's like I don't want everybody to understand.
So even one-on-one, if the other person should understand.
But I don't want other people to understand. I just want
me to
like,
understand.
Yeah.
So even if it's me, you need one person to understand.
Yeah.
But this communication is not working.
But I told you it's a cute word. Okay.
See, it's a cute word for you. It's not communicating the same to me.
What's a cute word to you?
There's nothing called cute words, I think.
What would you
There'll be
bel-
cute kids and there'll be cute animals.
Yeah, but what's when you're talking to a baby
Yes,
or a dog.
that's a
you're
kid
like,
or a dog. See, both. I
"Whoa,"
said that already.
Yeah, you talk in baby language, right? You
Because
change
they
your,
don't have a language that they can understand, that we can communicate in. Otherwise, we would have been talking the same. Or they'll think we're stupid.
But it's literally the same language said in a different tone. So if you want to talk to a baby and you're like, oh, आपको भूख लगी है, that's Hindi, and I can ask you, आपको भूख लगी है, but to a baby, I'll be like, oh, आपको भूख लगी है, and that's still Hindi. It's not a different language, it's just a different tone.
So yeah, that's why it's used for a baby, and that's why it's used for an adult. So they're slightly different, actually.
They are different, but what I'm saying is, how do you like to be spoken to love-wise? Like if a partner were to speak to you. If everyone's speaking the same to you, then what's the difference?
That's the beauty. You'll find the partner within that same energy.
I don't know about opposites attract anymore, actually, because what's a word of endearment you like? Even if it's a generic one, like...
Thank you.
That's not a word of... You can't call somebody thank you.
No, at the end of the sentence, you must say thank you. That's enough.
Or you can be like, you're my Shonu Pai, you know?
What pie?
Shonu Pai. It's so cute. Is it not?
Not at all.
Okay.
None. Thank you.
Thank you. This was a lovely date.
This is a great date.
Great
I think
date.
it's awesome. Next time we're doing this, we will be at Netflix Bites in Vegas.
Promise.
And we'll make it a real
Done.
one. Come on. Awesome.
Thank you so
There you
much.
go.